Hey, it's Kathy with the Junk Shack, baby. Today I have a great video on deck for you. I'm going to take a tiny little end table and paint it with a gray. I made it the other day, my DIY chalk paint, how to make it yourself. I'll link the video down below. Today I'm gonna paint that little bitty table with it and show you how I do it. Stick around till the end because I wax it too with Dixie Belle Grunge. It looks great. First, I really take my time and wipe it down really well. I don't want any dust or any oils or anything left on it. Again, I am using DIY chalk paint I made in a previous video. I'll link it below so you can learn how to make it yourself. The color of the paint, it's just latex paint, was called Agreeable Gray. I also added a little black to this color. I knew I wanted it to be more of a gray. If you continue to watch, you'll see that I add some lighter colored highlights. Here we have her totally painted. She is shaping up to be one beauty. You could, of course, skip this step, or you could even go the opposite direction and add even more detail. And now it is time for wax. This Dixie Belle wax is really a breeze to work with. I enjoy using it even though I hate waxing. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I had a whole lot of fun making it. I learned time-lapse on my phone. So now I'm going to be the queen of speed videos. I get the biggest kick out of watching myself paint real fast or decorate real fast or do anything real fast. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so now. And if you liked the video, please share it with a friend.